Good morning, Sydney. Good morning, Ken.
Hello, big time.
So Ken is driving around Sydney today. We're going to have fun.
We are. It's gonna be great.
So Dan, you okay?
I'm perfect. I can sleep at the back. So much space.
Yeah, we have Tim from South Peter from New Zealand, and also his wife, ma'am, and a friend. Yeah, hello. So on backside, let's have fun.
In Canberra, it's a very new city. It's only 100 years old, so there's no old buildings. And when I brought my children here when they were little, they're going, "Why is this place so dirty?" They'd never seen like litter in the street or anything. They were shocked. Yeah. I said, "It's a little city." So.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sydney Harbour.
Sydney Harbour, yeah.
Oh.
I'll tell you what I'm
A lot of people, huh?
Yeah.
This is the
This is
Lotus Temple.
Yeah.
I see. We are here.
So I'll tell you what I'll do.
Oh, very close, huh?
Yeah, I'll tell you what I'll do
Huh.
is the parking down there, it's a long way to come back up.
Okay.
It's a ramp,
Oh.
so it might be easier for you guys to walk from here
Mm.
and have a
It's
look.
there, and many tourists, and we are one of the tourists. Mapham si Sydney Harbour duni so leba thongchina Sydney Harbour Bridge kawe. Yoga swaista hi macha haitare yamna cheli miyam amachu sidai ta phamaga nu sidade ningdamda bet oirimina nungsa yabjam nungai ingi no opera Sydney Opera House ki manak sidai mayam si phamaga loina matam len ba haitare yam nungai mafung jam fajai nan jam nale ni su yami the koi Ken Ross koi marup Asia Pacific ta lakiba India da lakiba Ken Ross na koi ngasi ji koi ba pu bi bani koi atei mafung khara chu chakadari hore kona muk.
Nobody sick yet? It's like a ride, yeah?
Yeah, it's coming. Sydney Harbour Bridge. We are crossing Sydney Harbour Bridge. The other side, the right side is Opera House, but cannot see. Yeah, a little bit at the top. Yeah. So this is Sydney Harbour Bridge. We are going to the other side of the Opera House, and we'll come back by ferry and enjoy the ride. And probably we will check if we can try crocodile meat. Oh, down there?
Yeah.
We're going to cross the opening bridge to let the boats go, so the cars are waiting to cross the bridge. We'll see very soon. Koigi samudra gida koigi thong koigi ising matakta saba thong ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯠ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯂꯥꯜꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯪꯈꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤ.
You speak Thai? You understand? So? No?
ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯅꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯕꯤꯆ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯁꯃꯨꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯈꯣꯡꯕꯥꯟꯅꯤ. ꯐꯖꯩ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯂꯦꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯅꯤ. ꯂꯝ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤꯗ. ꯁꯨꯝ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯂꯦꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ. ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯏꯇꯣꯝꯗ. View of Sydney Opera House as well as Sydney Harbour Bridge. Among place here Sydney Opera House aduga Sydney Harbour Bridge City ka sila fajana view di lain. Ferry